What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to the last price analysis and price prediction of tonight, for me at least, and we will be looking at the Algorand cryptocurrency, abbreviation ALGO. It was requested and my last price prediction on ALGO is quite a while ago, so I definitely needed to update it. Algorand has kind of been moving sideways, but you do see higher lows coming in, and I actually managed to find this trend line which is actually quite strong. So when you take into consideration that trend line, you can also kind of draw a triangle, something like this. Like this is the top of the triangle, and it would go like all the way back there. Just for good measure, it would be something like this. So that's quite bullish. That's a bullish formation, and I don't always believe in formations, but still I definitely could see that happening, and we might find some resistance, even more resistance here at the 1.91. But I do think that this upwards trend line will hold once again, so it could either from where it is right now, or it could have another bullish move from this 1.8 level. And then the next real resistance I think would be at 1.97, but I don't think that would be that big of a resistance. I just think that there would be resistance because this trend line is showing some strong signs. It's just a major trend line, and it might find some resistance off of that just because of traders and algorithms and stuff. But ultimately I do think that when it reaches that area at around 1.97, I do think that we will be getting a break retest on this support level, because then this key area right here will actually have turned into support. We also have this Fibonacci here, so that would be a support at 1.91, and I think ultimately we could reach this top of the triangle again, which is around 2.06, 2.09, 2.1 maybe a little. Here we can actually see it went up to 2.1 I think, and from there on out I just because November tends to be quite bearish and there tends to be a correction in November, I drew this scenario down, which I think could happen, so that we will find a lot of resistance here, and that the price will actually drop all the way down to the bottom of the triangle again, and from there I do think that it will find resistance. But to be honest, I need to update this price prediction, because that would be too far in the future, and maybe some other price action has occurred, or maybe some fundamental news has come out, maybe we have seen already another correction, so I'd need to reassess that. But so that's the first scenario. But I also think that when it reaches this 2.1, we could also see a breakout, and to be honest, the all-time high right now is at 2.55, anywhere around that. To be honest, I think we will find resistance here around 2.2, but from this 2.2, if it reaches that area, that's quite bullish either way. Even when we find resistance right there, we might find a break retest support off of this 2.1. It might even drop down a little bit lower to 2.0, the break retest. That's still bullish in my opinion, and we could actually start to see Algorand trending to a new all-time high. But to be honest, that would be quite long term, at least a month, and possibly even longer. So but yeah, short term I'm quite bullish on Algorand. So basically this has been my price analysis and price prediction on this crypto. If you have any questions about this analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!